Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doisi Abba, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a vision board. Last year I made my very first vision board and I had so much fun doing it, and I achieved quite a lot from it. It went from doing my NYC where I wanted to do it, getting my dream apartment in the perfect location, down to little things such as getting motivated to take care of my skin better, because everyone has been saying your skin has been popping, and girl, they're in line. Just joking. But this year I decided to do a vision board party with my friends. I had planned an entire party in the perfect location, like food, drinks, outdoor with a lot of people. I created a WhatsApp group chat. It was all fun and games until it came to reality. So if I invited you for my vision board party and you did not show up, we're no longer friends and I am beefing you, fam. Anyway, a couple of my friends and I were able to still do it. So shout out to Mimi and Bernice for coming through. You guys are the OGs, and we were indoor and we had such an amazing time, and I decided to share this video to teach you guys also how to make a vision board in case you're interested in doing it. So a vision board is a board that is filled with pictures, quotes, stickers of our dreams, made to serve as a source of inspiration or motivation to help us achieve our set goals for the year, or it could be a longer period of time. So the way a vision board works is you set your goals, you visualize, you walk towards it, and you see the results. It's that easy. It's kind of like the law of attraction. Some of the tools you'll need for making a vision board are cardboard, magazines, stickers, glue, scissors, pens or markers. Most importantly though, you need a list. Oh, and I did not forget to mention, make sure there's provision for food and drinks if you're having a party. Trust me, it's more fun when the drinks are involved. When you're setting your goals or trying to make a vision board, I would say your goals should be quite specific. Say you want to travel a lot this year. Rather than putting an aircraft or an airline, I would suggest you put maybe the flag of the country that you want to go, because aircraft, like, why are you traveling to? Do you get what I mean? So be specific and avoid being generic. Secondly, for your vision board to work effectively, you have to be time conscious. So you're doing a vision board, I believe it's not for a lifetime, because we have next year to do another one. So this is for 365 days or less, because I did mine in the second week of January. So I would say setting a timeline is really going to help you to achieve your goals. My third tip for doing a vision board will also be to include quotes. So you have quotes like determined, motivated, boss chic. You have so many things that should help you. It's not just pictures of things, but things that also resonate with you, things that you like. After getting the materials that you need and making a list of things that you want for the year, the next logical thing to do would be to start vision boarding. So that means basically setting out your board and bringing your already cut pictures and list to the board. The way I'll do my vision board would be to set my personal goals away from my career goals, away from maybe even hobbies or adventures, like group them. That way it makes it make more sense. Or it does not have to be organized, but I'd rather have my vision board organized. That way it sets me in a mood, and when I look at my board, I'm like, oh, this is what I want to do for career, this is what I want to do for school, this is what I want to do in my personal life, and stuff like that. So you finish laying it out on your board. The next thing to do would be to start gluing. This is the easiest process. You literally just have to glue what you've already set. Personally, I would use glue over some sort of tape. You don't want to use a flimsy adhesive where the country you want to travel to is flying away from your dreams. Like, what are you doing? Make sure you invest in using a good glue to stick those posters on your vision board. Now you finish creating the vision board. The next step is to visualize. With visualizing, that is setting it up where you can see it every day. I honestly don't know where I'm going to set mine yet. I just did it yesterday, but I'm thinking either behind my door or just on my wall facing my bed, so when I get up every morning I see it and I'm motivated to be my most amazing self, you know. Now that you're done with visualizing, the next thing is to work for it. This is the hardest part of the vision board. So the vision board is really pretty, but it's not just another picture frame in your bedroom. A vision board is not going to work if you don't get up and do the work, and you also have to be intentional about it. Everything and anything is possible if you work hard enough for it. It's not about making excuses, it's just about getting up and actually doing what you've set out to do. All the people you've put on your vision board worked hard to get there too. So if you want to be a picture on someone else's vision board tomorrow. You have to stand up today, get to do that work, put in the effort, and you basically see results. Finally, I would like to say, just start now. Whatever you want to do, just do it. You have to do the work. This is like the hardest part of it, but it's actually what makes you earn it. So start vision boarding away. I'm going to show you guys what my vision board looks like. So this is what it looks like. I'm not going to go into details, but you can see I want to learn French, I want to save, I want to eat healthy, I want to gym, and there's so much more on it. And I really love it, apart from the fact that it helps you achieve your goals. I also think it's something really creative and a fun activity to do at the beginning of the year with your friends. And you're not just doing that, you're also getting a nice, pretty frame for your room. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more videos like this, which is like next year, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Let me know if you're going to try vision boarding, or just let me know one of your goals for the year. I'm so excited to see them. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.